Welcome back to Build Up Trades, powered by Build Up Investments Inc. This is my first weekly battle plan, basically my Sunday prep, getting ready for the week. These are just my opinions of what I'm looking at in the market, what I see. As I stated before, I'm not a financial professional, I'm not an advisor or anything like that. I'm just a guy with experience, and I'm just sharing my thoughts and how I profit from the market. So this is my first one. I'm just going off the top. I got a couple bullet points I'm gonna be following, but let's get into it. Get my chart up. So what I've already seen is SPY is bullish, but QQQ is looking heavy. This week isn't about buying everything, it's about buying the right sector. And then we got, it's probably going to be news heavy, attack on Venezuela and China and taking over silver. It's going to be a lot going on this week probably. Mondays, I'm usually sitting back, just collecting data, seeing which way we're going. So let's start off with SPY. SPY, we're basically stuck in a box between 679 and 684. I'm basically sitting on my hands, just watching to see which one we're going to break through first, and I'll pretty much make my decision from there. QQQ, tech is looking like a problem. It's under the 20-day moving average. Unless we get back over 618, I'm careful with tech for this week. So let's see. Let's go to the my three top tickers I'm looking at. The first one, I'm looking at JMP. Looking at the daily breakout. This is a daily breakout. Money is leaving tech, I believe, and going into banks. I want to ride this wave over 326. That's what I'm looking at, going over 326. Next ticker, Amazon. If you must play tech, play Amazon. That's why I say if you want to play tech, play Amazon. It's basically up. Volume is up on it for the last day. I'm going off of Friday. So it's green when everything is red. That's the way I see it. It's the only chart showing strength to me. I could be right, could be wrong. It's going to be people that disagree. It's going to be people that agree. But like I said, I'm sharing strictly sharing my opinion. My next ticker is Apple. Here is a trap. That's what I'm saying with Apple. There's a trap. Apple lost its 20-day. It lost its 20. I'm in the wrong. Which one was I looking at? It did not lose its 20-day. Oh yeah, on the daily chart, it lost its 20-day. So I'm right. So on the daily chart, we lost the 20-day moving average. It looks weak to me. If it pops to 275, I'm looking to short it at 275, not buy it. That's basically what I'm looking at. So, quick video, quick thoughts, quick opinions. Watch for the rotation. If JPM flies and Apple drops, you know exactly what the institutions are doing. If you want my full plan, my full battle plan in detail, you gotta join my Discord to get that. You'll get all my entries, stops, everything. But as far as these videos, this will just be a quick overview. But if you want the details of what I'm actually how I'm actually trading these tickers, gotta join the Discord. All right. Thanks for checking me out. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And thanks for listening. Peace.